Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is fourth week and 5 days, and as you can see, I have done like power days or whatever each day this week. I still have 2 days to go, and I have to at least walk for another 7,303 steps. One out of those 2 days. Let's quickly check how many guys are still on the race. Still 807 out of 1010 guys are in the race. So here one thing, like it's don't look at this as if you can make big money. Just think about it like as if you don't want to lose that 40 bucks. So it's more of like you don't want to lose, and it's a motivation to walk. If you make any $1, $2 or $10, that's just, you know, some sort of dividend. So just going back to my previous weeks, as you can see, I've completed 3 weeks. This is my fourth week, and here is a record how many steps I walked, right? One more thing quickly. I'm getting my data from Google Fit. I'm on Android, so that was my mistake. Before you even start first day in the first week, select your source carefully. If you want your smartwatch or whatever job or something to be your source, just make sure you are selecting that. I made a mistake. I selected Google Fit, and the problem with Google Fit is unless the phone is on your body or your whatever, the steps are not counted. So my smartwatch, I have walked 12,177 steps today, but if I go to my Samsung Health, which takes the data from my Samsung smartwatch, you can see I have like 700 extra steps, which is because I did not have the phone on me all the time, right? It's pretty easy. So that's pretty much it, the update. I still have 2 weeks to go, and let's see if I can complete it. I mean, as you can see, more than 200 people have dropped off, but now people, whoever are clinging on, they are pretty much experienced player, and they are still hanging on there and doing their steps. So the exit rate is not that high anymore. That's all I can say. So anyway, I it's better that way. Everyone is motivated, they are doing their steps. It's basically about health, like I said. It's not about making money. Anyway, thanks for watching, and have a nice weekend.